gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living.
2 years ago, Google unveiled next-generation language and conversation capabilities powered by its language model for dialogue applications, or Lambda for short. Google has been working on an experimental conversational AI service, powered by Lambda, that they're calling BARD. And today, they're taking another step forward by opening it up to trusted testers ahead of making it more widely available to the public in the coming weeks. Google has just launched BARD, a new AI-powered chatbot that's designed to provide intelligent and engaging conversations with users. BARD uses the latest advancements in machine learning and natural language processing to understand and respond to users' needs. What is BARD? BARD is a new AI-powered chatbot that's designed to provide intelligent and engaging conversation with users. It uses the latest advancements in machine learning and natural language processing to understand the user's needs and provide relevant responses. Features of BARD. BARD comes packed with features that make it stand out from other chatbots. It has a sophisticated understanding of context, which allows it to provide accurate and relevant answers to even the most complex questions. It also has the ability to remember previous conversations, making it easier for users to pick up where they left off. How to use BARD. Using BARD is very simple. You can access it through the Google Assistant on your phone or through the Google website. Simply start a conversation with BARD and it will guide you through the process. It's available 24/7, so you can use it whenever you need it. Final thoughts? Overall, BARD is a great addition to the AI chatbot landscape. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, it's sure to become a popular tool for both personal and professional use.